Hello, good evening, my beautiful people. Hey, my beautiful queens and handsome kings. How y'all doing today? As you all can see, I'm headed to the bus stop. It's really cold. I'm getting ready for work. But before I go to work, because we're supposed to have a little blizzard here. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I just walked up here to the bus stop. But yeah, it is cold. Cold, y'all. So when I get off downtown, I gotta stop at the store and grab me some little lunch something to have for 2 days while I'm still gonna be at the job. So I don't really know what I want. I've been having a taste for some Mexican steak tacos, so I probably end up getting that and maybe like some little cold cuts. Hey y'all, I'm back. Just got through leaving out of Dollar General. Yeah, I said to myself, as soon as it is to make money, as soon as it is, the quicker. But I did get me some more concealer. I got me a new lip gloss, so you all know I want to try to do a brown. I ended up getting a brown lip gloss for a change. So yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I had to cross the street. I like to always make sure I'm watching my surroundings when I'm crossing. But yeah, I ended up getting a brown lip gloss because you all know with my makeup routines, I always mostly do a lot of pinks. Yeah, I want to try to come up with a Christmas holiday look. So yeah, I said I might well go and get the lip gloss and the concealer while I was there. So that was a blessing. And I got me some little snacks to have so I can eat on while I'm at work. Yeah, that was pretty much. I didn't really get too much of nothing. Hey y'all, I'm back. I ended up stopping in the restaurant to get me something to eat before I go in. I just said I want something hot because I ended up at the dollar store. I had bought a lot of little stuff that you heat up in the microwave. So yeah, I just wanted to come in and sit down and just dine in and get me something to eat. It's still early, so. Yeah, the temperature, it's dropping outside. Yeah, and I'm just not leaving the restaurant. There was Sam's, one of the great spot to eat at if you ever come here to Memphis. Have some great food. They're located on Main Street in the downtown area of Memphis. I used to go there all the time and eat there. But yeah, that sandwich was really good. I had a barbecue sandwich with slaw on there and some french fries. I just did a combo. I really got full, but I was trying to stuff it down the best way I can because yeah, that sandwich was good. Pretty big size sandwich and a lot of fries, but excuse me. But yeah, I guess. I am tired, tired. Tired. Yeah, when I say it is cold, it is really, really cold. Yeah, see, I had to light my little candle where I can just get a little peace. You all know I'm actually at my job, so I, it was too bad for me to go home tonight. The weather was too bad, so I did indeed have to stay up here for the rest of the night, and hopefully tomorrow it melt back up where I can be able to go home because it is cold. It is really cold. But yeah, I'm just sitting here. I was watching Keisha, her vlog. Yeah, her vlog. She just uploaded 2 vlogs. So yeah, I was just checking in back with you all. But yeah, you all have a great rest of the night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. beautiful queens and handsome kings doing today. As you can see, this hopefully this be enough footage to become a 2-day vlog. Like I said, I'm still at work. I do work this evening, so I end up. You all know yesterday I told you I had to stay here because we had bad snow little ice storm coming down. So I just looked out the window not too long ago. Hopefully, it'll start melting up a little bit, or if it don't, I'm gonna try to see can I go home today. Yeah. Yeah, it's like I said, I was able to get a little peace of mind and some rest, but like I said, it's not like being in your own bed. Um, I'm gonna end up too if I don't go tomorrow before I come to work. I probably just wait to either Monday maybe and go get me another pair of not strip lashes, individual lashes, for to redo my lashes over. I don't know. It seems like the individuals last me a little longer than the strip lashes. I don't know. It seems like they lasted pretty good. But really, to be honest, I really look like I should try to see can I fill them in, but I don't know. I really want a whole another fresh set of them. I gotta get some more. I had purchased them from Walgreens. They call them clusters there, cause the dollar store don't carry the individuals. They only just carry the strip lashes, but. Yeah, I just got up, did my little 10-minute, 15-minute meditation. And when I meditate, I find that taking deep breaths and stretches help too. So you all probably seen me, a little bit before this clip that I was doing a little meditation. And I find that helpful for me when you just, take a couple of deep breaths in and out and a little stretches and moving around. Um, I think I'm gonna try to looking at more yoga routines and stuff like that, so I could come up with my own little yoga routine on how I start my morning. Y'all, cause meditation, that's a must. I do that even off camera. Like if I'm not filming or nothing, I do meditation off camera and stretches. I find that very helpful for me. But yeah, I just want to come in and check with you all and say good morning. Yeah, we didn't expect that. See, Memphis not like Chicago, because if it was Chicago, we get blizzards of snow and stuff, a lot of places and things won't be open, due to the bad weather. But like I say, here in Memphis, even if we do get snow, it don't stick that long. It don't last that long. It starts slowly melting, because Memphis is kind of like a little warmer climate, even though it's wintertime here, but the snow here don't stick like it do, up north. Um, I did want me a cup of coffee. I'm gonna try to figure out how to use this coffee maker in the room, because I'm so used to when I come to work, I already have my own coffee because I'm not gonna walk to Starbucks when, I can just drink some coffee here free. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to make this how to cut the coffee on. Yeah, their coffee make a little different than mine's at home. See, mine's got the little big old little pot, and then they got a button on the side where you press and you fill it up a while, and it just automatically brew. But I figured out because I sure can use a cup right now. Like I say, I'm a little cold, so I got right back in bed. I did take my shower and brush my teeth earlier. That way, when it's time for me to get ready, I don't think I gotta do just put my lotion on and um, put my clothes on. I already put my deodorant on too. Got to make sure the hygiene taken care of. So that way, wanted to get back in bed so I can warm up, because it is kind of cool. I feel a little cool for me. I don't know. I think I'm anemic, but yeah, I just wanted to come in and chat with you all. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Now I'll probably be chatting back with you all later. Or if I don't talk to you all later, I know for sure I'll talk to you all tomorrow.